Hi everybody, Ryan Wickman, Principal of Northland Lutheran High School. This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. We know in John 3:16 that God so loved the entire world that he gave his son Jesus. How awesome it is that 110 people from that world are our students this year, and their families as well are here. We are so blessed to be able to love and serve them like Jesus does. Speaking of service, big shout out and thank you to all the people throughout the year who have helped with the garden. Thank you so much, giving food to people who are in need. And thanks in advance to the freshmen who are going to help tear that thing apart and get it ready for next spring. Thanks to those of you who helped out in all the phases in the softball field there to level out some spots and get some grass seed and straw down there. Thank you to so many people, especially those this last weekend who helped. The front of the school now is done and painted with the trim. Doesn't that look beautiful? And now we're going around the corner. If you can help, that sounds great. And speaking of help, if you'd like to help us this Thursday, yep, just in 3 days, this Thursday we have a real big trailer coming so that we can get the Bleacher metal out and out of here. So we're going to tear our bleachers apart this Thursday. Today's the 9th, so 10, 11, 12. October 12th, Thursday, starting at 7 a.m. Planning on doing it during the school day, and God willing, getting it done during that time. We thank you for all of your support for this vital ministry for teens and for families. May God bless you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.